LyLy, what you got there? Let's see the box. You got a bath bomb kit? Make your own bath bombs.
Let's get started. See what we have.
So, show us the box, LyLy, and tell us what you got.
Let me show you what's in here. So these are the molds we have. So we have ice cream, a little dolphin, yay, a penguin, and a space, the moon.
The moon. 5 molds. That looks cool. So that's a bath bomb kit that comes with the molds to make your little bath bombs. What's the back of the box look like? Oh, it's got the instructions back there. You mix it, mold it, let it fizz. Mix it, mold it, let it fizz.
Open it up. I think it came with measuring cups, Mommy. Maybe. Solution. This is one of the powders. There's more powder. There's powder in here. Thank you.
Alright, let's see what you got in your little box.
So we have these little powders. So these are the colors we have.
Blue baking soda. So these are mainly just baking soda and some glycerin. Glycerin! Glycerin!
We have some strawberry kiwi oil. Probably for scent.
Citric acid. Red baking soda. And what's the last one? Yellow baking soda. Let's see your molds, LyLy.
Okay. We have a penguin, ice cream, dolphin. This is the moon.
So you can make a ball or a moon with that one.
It says yay, and it has a cloud. I want to do it.
Nope.
You gotta have it leveled, LyLy. Yep, perfect. 3 more. What color is that?
While y'all are watching, don't forget to like and subscribe.
How many drops do we do of the kiwi scent?
I don't know.
It doesn't say. Just do 1 drop.
I thought it said
Smells
a few.
good. Smell it.
It says a few, right?
No.
Can I do it? I want to do it, Mommy.
Here. Add the
4 drops.
Perfect.
Alright, that was it. That was quick. Quick 4. 4 quick.
Whoa.
Okay.
Can I stir it now?
Mix and smush the mixture with your both hands really well.
Stir it first?
Go ahead.
It looks like cookie dough, but blue. Smurf,
Alright.
Smurf cookie dough.
Can I smush it with my hands?
Go ahead. Mix it
Ugh.
all up. Mix it up. Really good.
Make sure it all, don't spill it.
Keep it in the bowl.
Does it smell good?
Oh yeah.
Mix it for 2 to 5 minutes. Don't give up, LyLy. You can do it.
Give it one what?
Don't stop.
Oh, we're gonna have to speed this up. We'll do the fast forward button right now. Do the fast forward button. Boop. Alright, fast forward's off. We're back on regular speed.
You ready?
Yep. Okay. Well, this.
Bath bomb, ba-na-na-na-na-na-na-na. So these are edible, right, LyLy?
No.
You sure you can't eat these?
No.
How long do they have to stay in the mold?
5 minutes.
Do they dry up?
Wait, can we do it for 5
You
seconds?
sure you didn't miss an ingredient?
Okay, let me finish the rest.
Well, it kind of looks like concrete.
What if that blue doesn't wash off of your hands and your forehead?
No.
Okay. All right, so it has to sit for 5 minutes and we'll be done.
Let's do another bath bomb next.
Alright, LyLy. Time lapse is over. What do we have? We've got this one, which is pretty much dry. We'll test it out in a little bit. And LyLy went ahead and made a, well, the yellow kind of got blended in there. I guess you're supposed to do them separate. We tried to do a blended one, but we didn't do it right. So she's got a light red bath bomb, and she's going to put it in the penguin mold. What does penguin sound like?
Alright, fill it up. Put it in there.
Oh, this is the fun part. And then you let it sit for 5 minutes.
Lump test.
Clump test.
Lump test. Lump competition.
Clump test.
Okay, not playing.
Alright, that one's all in the mold. So now we gotta let it sit for 5 minutes, and then we're gonna test them out, okay? Oh, your hands are red and dirty.
I can't do this when it ends.
Good finishing move. Alright, LyLy. It's been 5 minutes. You think they're gonna come out?
I think you're gonna break.
Squeeze on them gently.
Squeeze on them gently. LyLy's looks like it's trying to pop out.
Mine looks like it's breaking. Let's see.
It's coming out. Shake it.
Oh, mommy's came out.
Mine came out.
Oh, LyLy's came out easy.
Ready?
1, 2, 3. Plop it in.
Whoa.
Let it fizzle. Wait, don't touch it, don't touch it, don't touch it.
That's neato.
No, pick it.
Pick it up. What's it look like?
Just rub it out. Oh, that feels good.
That'd be good for your pedicures, huh? Maybe we should make them for your pedicures. Remember?
Okay, do mommy's next.
Look at it.
What?
I'm gonna save mine.
See?
Let's save it.
No, no, mommy. This is for the video. No, this is for the viewers. This is for the viewers, mommy.
Yeah, stop being greedy, mommy.
You ready?
1, 2. Izzle, whizzle, whizzle. I already know what blue and pinkish red make. Let's see what it is. This feels good. It's like slime. Hey guys, thanks for watching. Peace.
Ugh.